Then the fifth one is purchased furniture of rupees 8,000. See, whenever you are purchasing goods, then you can write purchase and sales account if it is related to goods or the things which you are dealing in. But if you are purchasing any fixed asset, you might have read the notes of fixed assets, in which the fixed assets includes such all assets which are kept in the business for a longer period of time. That is furniture, machinery, land and building, plant and machinery. So if we are purchasing a furniture of rupees 8,000, we can say that furniture comes in and we are paying cash for it. So cash goes out. Furniture comes in is debit, cash goes out will be credit. Name of account, here we will write furniture account and not purchase account, because we have to specify that we have purchased a particular fixed asset. Then both of these are real account. And if we arrange them properly, then your fifth transaction will be furniture account debit to cash account. Furniture of rupees 8,000 has been purchased. Similarly, your sixth transaction is sold machine of rupees 1,800. If you are selling the machine, you can say that machine goes out. So machine goes out and cash comes in. Machine goes out is credit, cash comes in is debit. In name of account, we can write machine account and cash account. Both are real account. And if you want to pass a journal entry, then your sixth entry will be cash account debit to machine account. The amount of machine is 1,800. So up to this you see better. Let us see this is 6 transactions only. First, be familiar with this twofold effects: debit, credit, name of account, type of account. Since it's the starting, I would like you to be familiar with this particular method. At present, if you are not hurrying for this, it is okay, because this you will gradually get. So in today's session, I am just showing you how to write this one. Then for rest of this, I will be sending the photos so you can see how it is done. First, to make sure that you are able to understand this one, the twofold effects, because if you are clear with this, then passing journal entry is an easy thing, because you have to simply arrange the debit credit portion, and gradually, since it's a starting, there will be a time wherein you need not write these all sentences and twofold effects. You will be able to pass directly journal entry. So that will be our achievement when you are going to learn this one. Since it's a first introductory session only, in this particular session you be familiar with this one. Rest of the answers I am sending, you be familiar with this one and then say or then see later.